lightning.
Why this car's automatic? It's systematic. It's hydromatic. Why it's grease lightning? Grease lightning. Some overhead lifters and some 4-barrel quads. So yeah, keep talking or keep